Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today we're going to show you how to use Fiverr Professions in the new update. In the past, when the customer wants to search for someone to make him his work, he had to see the freelancer gigs in order to see which service that he provides. But now you can easily make yourself more than profession. You can choose exactly what profession and what service you provide without making many gigs. And this is actually a new add-on from Fiverr. So let's get started and see how does it work. So first thing you should do is to simply open your Fiverr account or Fiverr profile on your PC, and after that you'll have to hover over this partition right here, my business, then click on it, and here you will see an option that says professions. But here in my case, because I do not have an active account on Fiverr and I didn't take any money from Fiverr yet, I do not actually have this option. And if you even worked on Fiverr and you don't have this option, don't worry, this means that the update hasn't come to you yet and they may add it to you soon. If they didn't add it to you anymore, you can also contact with the support in order to add you this option. So now simply you can click on profession. And now how does it work actually? Simply you have some steps that you have to fulfill just in order to add yourself a profession. So first thing that you should do when you open the profession section, it will jump you directly into your profile. Then you can click on start creating profession. Then it will show you something like this page right here. Now here you have 4 main steps. The first step is to add your profession. So whatever profession you provide, you can simply add your profession. What profession would you like to add? You can choose from this bar right here, and you can choose which types of services will you offer. You can add relevant skills and expertise, programming languages, data science frameworks. If you are a graphic designer, you can add the programs that you use to work with them: Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, for example. Then you can also choose which other titles match your profession. So I think they made it very well to fulfill or cover everything about the profession. Now after that, you'll have to jump into step 2, and in this step you will have to add more details about your profession. So they will give you a small description box that you can fill. You can type in it what you offer in details, specific skills and specialties, why they should work with you, highlight your qualifications, experience, or unique skills. You can also type what value you bring, clearly state how your service will help the client. You can call to action, you can put some methods in order to contact with the client, and make sure to make this description not very long, and pay attention to the first 2 lines of your description, as these appear in the listing and help form the first impression. You will also choose when did you start doing this work for clients. You have to choose the month and the year. Now for step 3, you can add frequently asked questions. I think this feature is very important. You can identify common questions that is asked to you by different clients. You can also put the answer, not only the question. Just try to be clear and concise, provide straightforward, easy to understand answers without using unfamiliar words. Try to explain clearly your workflow so clients know that to expect. Break it down into simple steps. Try also to update regularly. Update your frequently asked questions section to reflect these changes. So here, as you can see, it will show you the question box and the answer box. Then you can click on add, and if you want to add another question, you should click on add another question and add frequently asked questions as you want. Now the final step is to simply complete the final tasks and review before submitting. In this step also you can verify your identity, and this is a very important step. Add a photo of yourself, which also must be recent. Add an intro video, which is optional, but I think it's also important to add this intro video that you can show the client what exactly do you offer, because many people do not like to read a lot. So you can simplify this by doing an intro video about yourself or about the service that you provide. And after finishing, you can click on submit, and that is it. Congratulations, now you have added the profession. And you can also go to the professions and edit the profession as you want later. You can also add more than 1 profession, and by this way, this will simplify finding freelancers by the client, not just only by gigs but also with professions features. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.